Attention viewer, you are watching the world's biggest monster truck diecast YouTube channel. This is Monster Jam OCT.
Well, hello everyone, all Monster Jam fans, welcome back to another Monster Jam OCT review video. Today we are taking a look at the January 1st release for the Monster Jam Superstore. And as I mentioned in my holiday truck exclusive, the 2020 Christmas truck, this one here, I did hint at another stunt truck release for next year. And this turns out to be the new edition of a stunt truck body. And this one, as you probably saw by the thumbnail of this video, is the inverse of the stunt truck. And I gotta say, this thing is so clean. I actually honestly like it more than the original one here with the chrome body. I like this one. This one's really cool. I don't know why it gives off like an FBI CIA vibe, but I love the black SUV. It's just so sick. So here is the inverse stunt truck of the original kind. So you can see it's inverted or inversed colors. We've actually seen this style in the main line of Spin Master. For instance, the Northern Nightmare, the black paint being inverse for white. So they've done this before in the main line, and now they've done it for the Superstore exclusive Monster Jam Stunt Truck. So I guess that this model probably will never make it to the main line. It's just going to remain a Superstore exclusive casting, which is nice too because it is a Monster Jam truck, Monster Jam branded truck, I should say. And we also had this just recently, last month, the 2020 Christmas truck with the really nice body that they gave this one. So this is our most recent stunt truck until now with the inverse edition of the stunt truck. So you can see here, again, the inverted body or inversed body from the original. And I also mentioned in my previous video, it's likely that I might have reviewed Mix 16 of 1/64 skills, but I also mentioned this in my Christmas review. This is the new card design. No longer do we have the horns on the edge here. So the cards should be a little more protected for shipments and on the main line and the pegs at stores. So I'm very happy they've gone with this new refreshed rectangular design for the box. So there's that. There's the insert. I'm not sure if that's different from the original. I think it is. I think it's also inversed. I'll put a picture on screen. I might be right. I might be wrong. I think the entire card actually is inverse of the original, which is nice. And the back here actually has the toy rendering, not the real truck rendering like last time, of the stunt truck. So it looks like we'll be going with the toy renders from now on instead of real life renderings. For instance, we had the holiday truck, which had the same toy style render. And I guess the next exclusive will also have that if we go off of the continuity. So you can see there's the truck on the turntable thing, and it says the same exact quote as last time. I won't read it here. If you want to read it, you can pause it. It basically just gives the rundown of what Monster Jam truly is, and you can see it says 1/64 scale. I also noticed this year they stopped doing the promotional sign-up code on here, which kind of saves space, which is really nice. It gives this more room to kind of have its own area. So here's that, and then on the truck itself, we're just going to unbox and check it out. Also, like last time, these are not production numbered, so there's no set amount of these made, unlike holiday trucks and things that have one of 5,000, one of 3,000, for instance. This does not have that. So here we go, the inverse stunt truck unboxing right now. Oh my, this thing is such a beauty. I have to say they should have probably gone with this design for the real life truck. The black paint on this is so shiny. I've never seen a Spin Master model this shiny before. This is epic. I am actually really happy with this. At first, when I heard they were doing another stunt truck back to back, I was a little scared because I didn't think the community would probably react well to that. But I honestly think that this is going to be a very popular truck. This is a beauty. I have nothing else to say besides that. It's clean. It's actually, I would say, much better than the original release. The one thing they should have done is the BKT printing. That's unfortunate they didn't do that. But also chrome rim and black beadlock because it's inverse. I'm sure the collectors or the customizers specifically will probably toss on some BKT prints on here. But check that out. Check how shiny that paint job is. Jeez. And we also have nice chrome paint on this too, on the Monster Jam logo and the fender and stuff. So you can see, again, the inverse of the black lettering instead of the chrome lettering, the black body instead of the chrome, and the chrome fender instead of black, of course. The taillight cage actually also got inversed. You can see the original has a black inside and a chrome cage, and then this one has a chrome inside and a black cage. The tailgate here with the monsterjam.com is 3D in chrome, unlike this. So everything basically is inversed. I should probably just stop saying that at this point. Everything, even the roof panel, is inversed into chrome. So all of it is, it's very nice, very attention to detail especially. They changed every bit of it to be inversed. And the headlights here, I'm not sure if they did them. Okay, so it's a little bit different. The headlights originally had black inside and yellow on the outside. They put the yellow on the inside, but obviously with a black paint all over the truck, they couldn't do a black outline, so they did a chrome outline instead, which is nice. And they did a chrome grille instead of black and inversed the entire bumper, so all the bumper parts are inversed as well. And also it has a chrome chassis to match this one and a black roll cage to match that one. The only difference between these trucks would come down really to the BKT printing. So that is awesome. I mean, there's not much to talk about. It's just on its own. It's kind of just a piece you want to stare at for a while. I gotta say, I'm actually genuinely impressed with how well this looks. And I gotta say also, the next Superstore exclusive is something beyond any measurable excitement that I can really express to you at this point in time. You guys stay tuned, stay hyped up. I cannot wait to show you what's in store for the next Superstore exclusive, but this one is a particularly nice model. Wonderful job, wonderful idea by the MOSGM and design team at Spin Master as well. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know what you guys think about it, and go order yours now. They're available for order right now as this video drops. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you, MOSGM. Thank you, Spin Master. And until that next video, this is Ryan or MOSGM OCD signing out.